If you suspect that your iCloud account has been compromised, it's important to take immediate action to regain access and secure your information. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID website. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your account and start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the Apple ID sign-in page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address and follow the prompts. You may need to answer security questions or receive an email or text message to verify your identity. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. After regaining access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication if it is not already activated. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your iCloud account and protect it from future suspicious activity. Always remember to regularly update your passwords and monitor your account for any unusual activity.